Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm Base Box, Variation Unknown. So let's get in here and see what I got. The only thing that I know that is in here is what my choice was. And I do happen to remember what choice I made this month because I also remember not being impressed with choices. I know, don't tell anybody. Let's get in here and see what I've got, because there is one thing that I have seen in almost every variation that I will be just incredibly disappointed if I don't receive, and you guys probably already know what that is. So here's my paperwork right on top that will tell us our variation. And I do see the one thing that I would have been so incredibly disappointed if it hadn't been in here. Okay, let's read all about my box and work slowly toward that. It's the best, so I do literally have to, because of the saying, save the best for last. Okay, I have Boxycharm Variation 40. So that is my variation this month. And this month is Boxycharm Harvest, and that is so pretty. I am all about all things fall now. I know, I'm late to the party. We started doing pumpkin spice lattes and everything else back in September. Okay, well here we are in mid-November and I am willing to get on board with fall. Just a couple weeks before we're going to be swinging right into Christmas and winter. Although I will admit I have seen a shocking amount of Christmas trees already up on my Insta feed. Let me know below. Have you put up your Christmas tree? I have not. I'm trying to be strong and wait until the day after Thanksgiving like I usually do. I will admit I feel weak of it. Okay. Anyway, back to Boxycharm Base Box. Let's just reach right in, and on top I have a Bodyography eye pencil 2-pack, and it does not say on the outside what colors I have. Okay, that is what the box looks like. Is that upside down? Yep. That is what the box looks like. Buckle in, apparently it's going to be one of those. And I have two black eye pencils. Okay, one of them is slightly brown. That's what those look like. And yeah, this one is black and that one's slightly brown. Put those lids back on here while I decide if I want to use these or set them aside for a giveaway. The black one is called Onyx. The slightly brown one is ironically called Black Walnut. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set these aside for a giveaway. We get so many liners that I'm just gonna go ahead and pass these along because I have found, and I used today, and spoiler alert, in honor of what I knew was in this box, I used my Natasha Denona Lila. I want to call it the Lila palette, but Lila, I think, is the name of the palette. But that's not the point I'm showing you. I'm using that milk black eyeliner that we got, I think maybe in Boxycharm. I like it a lot. I'm using it on the regular, and it's just a black eyeliner. I like it. This is the Bodyography Eye Pencil Duo. These super smooth coconut oil infused pencils. All right, now I'm slightly more intrigued. Glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. These eye pencils are rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a smoky effect. $16, and I guess that's for the two, so $8 each. Reaching in next, I have, I can't tell who this is by. It's got a sticker over it. I'm gonna take it off, but I have this, and it is a lip oil. Interesting. I don't think I've seen this. It is in red, R-E-D-Y, kind of like that OPI nail polish I had. And it is a lip oil distributed by INT Cosmetics. I don't know that brand. This has a complete overwrap on it, so let's get that off because I will be using a lip oil. Lip oils fall precariously close. I have admitted in the past, hello, my name is Kathrin, and I have a lip balm problem. Lip oils, I think, are the new lip balm. They are very much like a lip balm, but they're an oil, but in my brain, I equate them as the same, so I'm developing a lip oil problem. That is what that looks like. Let's see what it looks like and smells like. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand since my lips are done. It's kind of red. I'll use my finger to spread it out. Ooh, feels nice. It doesn't feel, to my finger, it doesn't feel tacky. I know, my nails are down to nothing. I broke these two. I was holding a huge book and I dropped the edge and it broke these two very painfully low, so I took them all down hoping to get them ship shape to use that OPI advent calendar on my Insta. I know, how far off of a lip oil can I go? It smells good, kind of fruity. I can't tell you what fruit though, but it just becomes kind of shiny. Let's see what the paperwork says. The paperwork says INT, I-N-T is what I'm saying in case you're wondering. INT oh, it must have some peppermint in it. I'm starting to feel a little tingle on the back of my hand. The perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can be easily applied on the go or on top of lipstick for added sheen. Have you guys used this? Am I making this up? I haven't put it on my lips, but it feels a little tingly on my hand. $11. Let's see what the ingredients are. Yeah, there is nothing in the ingredients that would explain a tingle. It just says fragrance, so probably making it up totally. Reaching in next, I have a Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Youth Ampule? Yes, please. I am trying all the oils. All the oils. That is my goal. All the oils. I like oils. Whether I can use them during the day or only at night depends on how well they absorb. I just used a Snow Fox one in a Look Fantastic box that I just unboxed, which I probably put up yesterday, if I'm guessing. It has absorbed so well. Anyway, back to this. This is the Earth Harbor Helios, and so far, so good. I love the ombre look of that bottle. Let me take my hand. I don't know what the best way to show you that is. Oh, there you go. See how it gets darker at the bottom? That is so cool looking, but that's what the bottle looks like. And it is 1 fluid ounce. And the paperwork says Earth Harbor Naturals Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios, Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra-reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae astaxanthin. Restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And it has a $48 value. I did not tell you, this is the Boxy Base Box, which is a $25 box. I think we're guaranteed to have more than $125 worth of value. So this, if you like it, is double the cost of your box. Okay, before I put this on, I'm gonna take a sec and read the ingredients. Get the heck out of Dodge, I can use it. That's so exciting. Most of the ingredients are certified organic, non-GMO. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Okay. Hope you guys can see it looks just like a clear liquid. So I'll put it on this side of my hand. I wiped off, by the way, that lip oil. It was fine. It's like tingling. All right. Oh, it smells nice. I thought it was just gonna have that face oil, you know, that kind of earthy face oil scent that you get. It smells kind of, it's just clean and nice. I like that a lot. That smells good. I don't know what that fragrance is, but it's kind of floral. If I had to pick, I would pick floral like a, I don't know. I was gonna try and say something really smart there, but it's just floral. Here, let me look one more time. It's not grapeseed, it's not cranberry or pomegranate. I don't know what baobab smells like. There's pumpkin in it, but that's not pumpkin or sunflower. Jojoba, apple. The red algae, maybe the red algae has a nice scent. Sweet orange, neroli flower oil, and calendula. Maybe it's that, I don't know. But it smells really nice. And my skin, can you hear? Has almost completely absorbed it. This is one of the ones where I always try and tell you with face oils, I think the most important thing I can relate to you is I think you could easily put makeup over this. You know, some oils just sit on top. They kind of protect you. They don't absorb as well. This is absorbed really well. Yeah, can't wait to try it. All right, reaching in next, and we have my pick. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Lip Enhancer, right? I need that. That is what the box looks like. Interesting that since I chose a lippy, they sent me another lippy. It's fine. I like lip oils, but interesting choice. When we take it out, it is just a tube of Jouer. Let's read about it and then we'll get in there and see what it feels like. Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer, infused with good-for-you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration, $17 value. And just for the record, the box says, and I think this is good information, this ultra-rich moisturizer nourishes and conditions your lips with Maxi Lip, which is their combination of vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba seed oil. These good-for-you ingredients offer a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements. Apply 3 times a day for 29 days for visibly fuller lips. I like that idea for sure. So it's just one of these slant top tubes. It's very firm in there, and it comes out just, it's just, I hope you can get that. Wow. It's just kind of clear. I don't know if you're supposed to put it on over lips, but we're going to. It feels very nice. It tastes a little odd. I mean, not that it would stop me from using it, but it does have a slightly unusual taste. Okay, and last but not least, and this is what I said, I would have been so disappointed. They spoiled this pretty early in the month, and they said most. They wouldn't go so far as to say all base boxes would have it, but they did say most base boxes would have it. It is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. I guess peak like maybe leaf peeping because it's very autumnal. It's so heavy. It feels such, well, I mean, it's Natasha Denona. It's so quality. And there are the $25 minis. This is not that. This is one of the, I think, $50. Let's read about it and we'll see. Natasha Denona Peak Palette, $48. A 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And it is a Boxy exclusive, by the way. Interesting. That is what it looks like closer up. That's really true. For some reason, the worms are reading perfectly true to color on my camera. Let's swatch them. So the beauty is we have this nice light one, and it is called AIA. And this is what, oh, it's so creamy. I love Natasha's formulas. And that is what it looks like. And I can use that, like after I put my eye primer on, I always like to put a creamy skin tone. Oh, I love her formula. I hope you can see that. I put it right here. And it will just give me a great base. I find that because I'm not a makeup artist, I can blend the darker colors so much easier if I start with a nice skin toned base color. All right, next we have Jasper. Oh, so pretty. And then Thorn and Amhara. Now all of these first 4, these are the other 3, all of these first 4 are mattes. Those are so pretty. Oh, so creamy. I love her formula. And that is what those look like. Doesn't she have such great color payoff? It's so pretty. And the last is Shine, and it is our shimmery color. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Can you see the shine on that? Woo. Shine. So pretty. That is going to make such a gorgeous eye. It is very warm. That is not my best look, but you know what? I don't care. For Natasha Denona, I'm going to be wearing it anyway. I love her formulas. She's probably my favorite. So pretty. I'm not going to wipe it off yet. I'm going to leave it for the recap so that I can say, so in this $25 box, we got a $48 Natasha Denona palette. So pretty, right? We have the nice Earth Harbor Helios face oil, which absorbed beautifully. You know what? I just put eyeshadow over it and it didn't patchy up. That is how nice that is. I have the Jouer lip enhancer that if I use 3 times a day for 29 days, I'm going to have fuller lips. We will see. I am definitely going to do this. So we'll see. We have a lip oil, which soothes my need to own all of the lip balms and lip oils, and the Bodyography 2 eye pencils. One is black and one is almost black. Actually, I believe they called them Onyx and Black Walnut. And I'm going to go ahead and put those in a giveaway. Still, for a $25 box, I could not be more pleased with this one. I mean, in all fairness, if they had sent me this for my $25, I would have been like, okay, I forgive you. 1 item this month is fine. I am very excited to have this, which also, let me tell you the full total of my box. So the total value of my box is $140. Just in these two products alone, which I am thrilled to get the chance to try, it is $96. So I paid about 25% of what these two cost. 2 thumbs up to Boxy Base this month. It rocks. At least I think it rocks. Let me know below what you think about it. Thank you again so much for coming by and checking out the Natasha Denona palette. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you very soon. I hope you guys are out there having a great fall. Ooh, fall? Did someone mention fall?